welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to learn for the class 5 the exercise is 3.1. The exercise is 3.1 from the lesson operation with large numbers. Operation with the large numbers. The exercise is 3.1. Let us start with me. The first question is add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. The first question is 11 lakhs 4,882, 77 lakhs 35,378. How I read this one? This is 2. It is in the ones place. We already studied it in the first class. The place values 2. It is in the ones place. 8. It is in the tens place. 8. It is in the hundred place. 4 it is in the thousands place, 0 it is in the 10,000 place, 1 it is in the lakhs place, so 1 it is in the 10 lakhs place. Okay, totally 11 lakh 4,882. The next number is 77 lakh 35,378. These are the two numbers in the given question. How to add the number we have to learn now. The first place, whenever you write the numbers one below the other there and addition is done column wise from right to the left. Always start adding from the lowest place and the highest place. Go to the highest place. Okay, let us start from the right side to the left. The 2 plus 8. The 2 plus 8 is 10. Look here. 0 it is in the ones place. If the number is exceeds 9, if the number is exceeds 9, we carry over to the next number. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 right in a ones place, 1 carry over to the tens place. The next column carry over to the next place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16. Again, it exceeds 9 there. So, write the 6 in the tens place. 1 carry over to the hundred place. 1 carry over to the hundred place. So, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, write 2 in the hundred place. 1 carry over to the thousands place. Next, add the thousands place columns. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 in a thousands place. 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 0 is 1 there. If you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. We already learned in the first class. Okay, apply the rule at 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 3 is 4. Right? 4 in a 10,000 space. 1 and 7 there. 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. How to read the number here? 88 lakh 40,260. 88 lakh 40,260. This is the process how to do the addition there. Next question is 51 lakh 97,722. 51 lakh. Why? Because these two digits in the belongs in the lakhs place. These two, the 9 and 7, these two places belongs in the thousands place. 7 to 2 there. Remaining 3 places belongs in the ones place. Okay, read the number 51 lakh 97,722. The next number is, it means this one is the first added, this one is the second added. 70 lakh 12,393. Okay, do the addition operation here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 9. So again it becomes 11 there. So write 1 in the tens place. 1 carry over to the hundred place. It means next place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write the 0 in a thousands place. 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 in a 10,000s place. 1 carry over to the lakhs place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2 there. Remember the second rule in the addition form. If you add 1 to the any number, it shows the successor of the number. It means 1 plus 1 is 2. The successor of the 1 is 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. Insert the comma. Yes, it means the 1 crore 22 lakh 10,115. Why? Because 1 it is in the crore place. So how to read the number there? 1 crore 22 lakhs 10,115. This is the method of how to do the addition there. Okay, the next question is arrange the following addends in columns and find the sum there. Arrange the following addends in the column and find the sum. Okay, it means whenever the sum in a column exceeds 9, we did grouping number. It means carry over to the number. We apply this rule in the first addition problem. The second one is addition is done column wise from the right to the left. It is also applied in the first question. Okay, then the second question is arrange the numbers in the column wise. There are the 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 addends. We have to arrange the given numbers in the column wise. Okay, let us start. The solution is the first number is 23,561. The first number is 23,561. The next number is, look here, it is in the thousands place. Okay, we have to write 1 in the thousands place. 1,468. The third one is 8. 1 times 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, we have to write 8 in the lakhs place. Okay, 8 in the lakhs place. 60 it is in the 10,000s place. And 686 right in the 100, tens and ones place. This symbol shows the addition. Okay. Put the 0 in the missing places. Why? Because it is very easy to add the number there. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is, there are the 3 addends. The first one addend, second one addend. So 3 1 addend. Add all the 3 addends there. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, 5 in a ones place. 1 carry over to the tens place column. Look here, tens place column. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So write 1 in a tens place. 2 carry over to the 100 place. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So write 7 in a 100 place. 1 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0. The 5 plus 0 is 5 again. Remember the rule. The addition rule there. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. The last number is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. How to read the number there? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So 8 lakh 85,715. 8 lakh 85,715. Okay, go to the next question there. The one more question is the second question. Here three addends, we have to arrange the numbers in the column wise. The first step is arrange the numbers in the column wise. The first number is 5,16,584. This is the first addend. The second one is, look here, the 73. It is in the 10,000s place. So write below the 10,000s place. The third addend, it is 3,48,912. We arrange the given number in the column wise. Then do the addition operation here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 7. Look here. Again it exceeds the 9. So carry over to the next number. It means to the 100 place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So 9 in the 100 place. 1 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 8 in the thousands place. 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 there. 1 plus 5 is 6. There is no number in the second addend. So think yourself, there is a 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, insert the commas. Follow the Indian system. Indian numeral system there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9 lakh 38,979. This is the second one question answer here. Okay, next go to the third one question. What is the third one question there? Fill in the missing digits. Fill in the missing digits. Okay, in the given question there are the two addends there. The first one is, this one is the addend and this one is the second addend. Okay. After this one is the sum there. After the addition operation we get the sum. This is the sum. Okay. We have to fill the missing digits there. How to fill the missing digits? Okay, in the ones place, already the 4 there. In the sum column, here also 4. So which number we have to fill in the given box? It means, remember the first rule there. If you add 0 to the any number, the number remains itself. Look here. 4 plus 0 is 4 there. If you add 0 to any number, you get the same number there. Remains itself. Okay. Go to the tens place number. Here also one box. In the second addend, there is the 6 in the tens place. In the sum, the 9 there. Which number you add to the 6, we get the 9 there. Okay, 3. You add the 3 there, we get the, if we add the 3 to the 6, we get the 9 there. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, go to the next number. The 6, it is in the tens place. The 7, it is in the sum column. Okay, which number we add, we get the 7 in the addition. Okay, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Let's remember the second rule. What is that? If you add 1 to any number, you get the successor of the given number. The successor of the given number. It means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, the next question. Okay, the next column, go to the next column there. The box 5 and 7. Then, if you add 2 to the 5, you get 7. It means the 2 plus 5 is 7. The 8, you get the answer 17 here. Which number you have to add to get the 17? Okay, in the second addend. we have to add 9 to the 8. 9 to the 8. It means 8 plus 9 is 17. Yes. Then this is the we fill the missing digits in the given question. How to read the number then? 1,77,794. 1,77,794. The next question is, okay, the next question is, go to the next question. The 6 plus 3. Add the 6 plus 3 then you get 9. Then in the sum, the 5 number, in the second addend 2. The 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 then. It means 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. The next question is, there is a 0 in 100 place. The missing number in the 100 place also we have to fill the missing digit. Whatever we get the 9 in the 100 place in the sum. It means you put the 9 there. If you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. Okay, then here the answer. It means the thousands place there is a 0 there. Which number we have to add? So 9. 9 with. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 is here. 1 carry over to the next number. Next 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay, in the addition, in the answer, the 10 already there. So we have to put the 0. We have to put the 0 there. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 again. Okay, read the number. 1,959. 1,959. Okay, the next question is 0 plus, so 0 in the first addend, we have to fill the second addend number there. Okay, 0 plus 3, we get the 3. Next 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 in the 100 place, 1 carry over to the next number. 1 plus, which number we have to add here? So 8. Put the 8 in the missing column. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 4 is here. 1 carry over to the 10,000 place. 1 plus 2 is, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 4. We get the 6 in the sum column. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Next number is 3 plus 7. So it means 0 in the lakhs place. 1 carry over to the tens lakhs place. 1 is in the carry over in the place tens lakhs. Okay, in the missing box, put the 8 there. You get 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 in a 10 lakhs place. Okay, 19 lakh 64,170. Okay, 7 plus, which number we have to fill in the missing digit? Okay, we have to fill the 6. We get the 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 already in the sum column. So 1 carry over to the next number. Okay, in the sum already 8. In the second addend 2 is there. So which number we have to add in the first addend? The 5. It means add the number there. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Go to the 100 place column. 100 places column. So 2 there in the first addend. 0 in the sum column. The 2, 8. So you have to add the 8 in the 100 place. You have to add the 8 in the 100 place in the second added column. We get that 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 in the 100 place already in the sum. Okay, 1 carry over to the thousands place. Next 1 plus 1 in the carryover. The 2 in the second addend. 6 in the sum. So which number we have to fill in the missing digit? So 5. 3 there. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, the next. Go to the next place. Thousands place. 4 already there. We have to add 1 in the missing digit. We have to fill 1 in the missing digit. We get the 5 in the sums column. Okay, next number. Here we have to add 0 to the any number. You get the same number. Why? Because in the sum operation already 8 is there. Next, the last one. It is in the 10 lakhs place. Which number? There is no places in the first add-in. So we have to fill the 2 in the second add-in number. We get the 2 there. Okay, how to read the number? 28 lakh 56,083. 28 lakh 56,083. These are the method how to do the how to add the followings there, and second one is how to arrange the columns in the number and how to fill the missing digit. Keep practice. Thank you.